Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on the Stormx, which we covered yesterday as well. And yesterday, I was 100% wrong. All right, because yesterday what I said, and I don't even know what I said, but I think I did say that we could get to like 0.75 and 0.8 cents. But overnight we absolutely spiked up to 1.5 cents, which is crazy. This is what manipulation looks like. All right, it just is. I mean, we already saw that yesterday, like 70% is coming from BYBIT in terms of volume. Usually if you see that, it's manipulated. And yesterday I also told you that at some point of time it's going to crash. Like from this top right here, it depends a little bit on what exchange you use, where the top is. But we already crashed 45%, and we're probably going to crash down even more. I mean, if you take a look at spikes like these in the history of Stormx, usually the week after that we actually drop down by like 60%. So I do think this ship has sailed, all right? Even though yesterday I was wrong, I'm pretty confident in saying that this is the top, all right? We had our spike. Right now I do think the overall direction is going to be down. We'll talk a little bit more about it though, but yeah, that's a general summary. So before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, and I promise you I will not send signals like the trade I have taken on Stormx. But if you are interested in that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. Because personally, I shorted from this level right here at around 0.7 cents. So I mean, I knew this was a possibility when I got in. I also wasn't stopped out or anything. Like my stop loss was all the way at 0.03. But in the end, I did not expect something like this. So what's happening right now is that we have dropped down significantly. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see that we found support at the 200 EMA. Altogether, we could actually, and I do actually also expect that, sorry, I almost have to sneeze, it's very annoying. But I also expect that we can still get some sort of a spike up, potentially to 0.9 cents, potentially all the way up to 0.0105, so 1.05 cents. That's a possibility, but altogether, I think it's a matter of time, and I think it's a matter of days actually that will drop down back to this level right here at 0.65 cents. And after that, I think ultimately will fall down all the way to 0.55 cents. And then long term, I think will fall down all the way to 0.5 cents. But that depends a little bit on the market. I mean, if Bitcoin opens very bullish today, we might just see support being found at around 0.6, 0.55 cents over the next couple of days. And that from there we can actually continue to consolidate, because that is what Stormx does most of the time, all right? There's not that much price action until it gets manipulated. So overall, that's what I expect. I mean, I do want to say that most of you have probably have either made a lot of money on this or have been wrecked. Altogether, the way to analyze this and the way to recognize it is by checking out the volume on CoinMarketCap. If there's a lot of volume coming from sources which you don't know, are Korean, are minor exchanges like Hotcoin Global or BitTrue, it's better to stay out. And I will probably also do that in the future, but I've also made quite a lot of money on cryptos that are manipulated like this. But it's better to stay out. It's better most people lose money on this. The manipulators make most of the money. So yeah, that's general advice. But for now, this is what I expect. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and bye.